Make money online through websites such as Upwork, Fiverr, and freelancer.com. These sites offer opportunities to do a variety of freelance jobs, such as writing, programming, design, marketing, data entry, and being a virtual assistant. Fluent in a second language? Check sites such as Django or Blend Express, or drum up business through a site of your own. No matter what freelancing you do, keep track of the going rate for the kind of work you provide so you know what to charge. Learn how to get started on Upwork. A recent report from freelancer.com found that creative writing jobs had the fastest growth in listings on its site in the second quarter of 2023, up 58%. And although generative artificial intelligence, AI, is being used more for content creation, it can't fully do the work of human writers. Companies are looking for writers who know how to edit AI content and who have at least a basic understanding of search engine optimization. Learning or beefing up SEO skills could be a lucrative side hustle. Some freelancers are charging $100 an hour or more for their freelance writing services.